Opening up. Metal 1. Metal 2. Right into water, into wood, into fire, into earth, right back into metal. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Hsing Yi Quan. It is the creation form from Hsing Yi, but before we go there, I need you to go over the buttons, hit like and subscribe, and click the button to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
5-element linking fist. There's two aspects of it. There's a creation cycle and a destruction cycle. A whole form put together is known as the Lin Wan, linking chain form. Today we're going to focus on the creation fist. The power aspects all come from doing the individual elements by themselves. Remember I said you can train each element for up to 15 minutes at a time. You have warm-ups, you have conditioning, you have strength building, we have qigong exercises. Okay, so this is all part of it. So now today we're just going to work on the creation aspect. It's a very, very simple form. It repeats itself. So we're going to open up, start with San Tio Wat, P-Chuan, which is the metal element. From here, I'm going to do a metal element the second time. So here I'm rotating. I step out. Here's the second metal element. Beginning moving right into the Junchuan, the water element, as we strike up and through. From here, stepping into the wood twice. 1 and 2. I want to step off the line at a 45-degree angle and get into fire. Hao Chuan. From here, I'm going to rotate. I'm going to cover down with my left hand and punch with my right. I'm blocking and hitting here. And then I'm going to step out. Here's my Hung Chuan. I'm now going to move back into metal. I'm going to come up and step through. That's one section of the form. That's half the form. So let's do it again. Opening up. Metal 1. Metal 2. Right into water, into wood, into fire, into earth, right back into metal. So now we're going to work on the turn, and the turn is done the same way in metal. I'm going to turn inside, rotate in, hand comes up, and I'm back to metal. The first metal, rotate, second metal, next element, water. Coming in, driving it through. Chuan Chuan. Into wood, stepping up. Wood 1 and wood 2. Stepping off at a 45-degree angle into Pao Chuan. Fire. Coming up and strike. Blocking across and down for earth. Pop the hand down, punch out, step, wipe off. Moving back into metal. This comes together. Arm and foot swing up and through. Stepping in to metal. Rotate around, turn, back to metal, and close the form. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.